Hello, hello students, hello traders. Welcome to another session of the all-round analyst. Okay, so this morning we're gonna do the same thing we do every day. Analyze the market. So starting real quick, I start from Euro US dollar. Okay, so where were we? We were on the 4 hour. Okay, we're expecting to see prices come into our zone. Okay, and then go away. So we're buying from here, all the way from here. We buy opportunities here to go all the way in. We saw these signs of reversal. We expected a break of structure to break below here, then pull back and give us a reason to buy maybe from some of these zones in here all the way down here. But that didn't happen. Instead, the market went all the way to break through our zone. Okay, invalidated our zone at this point, and then now we see prices have gone deeper in, bullish on the 4 hour, obviously bullish on the 1 hour, perhaps to come into our daily zone up here. Okay, so for this, our bearish perspective is off. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. On the 1 hour, we are obviously bullish, and last up move, and it's coming from here. So this is our new 1 hour zone, and so we'll wait to see if price would because now we've entered into the daily zone. Just give me 1 minute. Let me drop that daily zone, bring it closer so we see what we're doing. Alright, so now price has come into our daily zone, and we expect to see prices respect this daily zone, okay, and then come and eventually break below here. That will take off our 1 hour perspective, and then we'll look to go bearish all the way down to the daily target. Okay, but in the event that but on the lower time frame, we're looking at the possibility of price coming down into the zone for the 1 hour, and then give us some reasons to go up targeting this level here. And if this happens, excuse me, our long-term daily bias will be distorted, will no longer be bearish, will now switch bullish. So we'll just hold on to our perspective for now, wait to see if prices will come into this zone and give us some signs of reversal, and when that happens, we'll go bullish. If it doesn't happen, it breaks through, we will know that all of this bullishness is distorted, and we will face the bearishness that comes and goes in the direction of the daily chart. Okay, so for now, we are, let me see, let me mark my zones now, update my chart real quick. For the 4 hour, we were bearish up to this point, so we are 1 pb up after 2 down. So 1 pb up after 2 down. All right, today is 15. Okay, it's the 9 a.m. GMT plus 1, that's my time zone. So 1 hour, what does 1 hour look like? On the 1 hour, we have been bullish from right here. Okay, so let's see. From here, we went some. Let's see from here. Okay, 1, pull back 2, pull back 3, pull back into the zone. 4, pull back 5, pull back 6, pull back 7, pull back 8, pull back 8 pb up. That's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. So we should expect some reversal really soon. This will crash. It should crash really soon. Okay, so that's where we are on the Euro US dollar. We look for opportunities, see price coming to this zone, look to trade, target this liquidity up here. That would be a liquidity target. In the event that price comes into the zone, then boom, we go all the way up there. Okay, that's what we have on the Euro US dollar for today. The pound US dollar, yes, we continued making this trade, and that's given us about a 1 to 25, 1 to 26 actually, and we are still holding on to this position for whatever it's worth. Remember, we caught this trade from last week. Our notes have disappeared. Okay, they're still here. Can I update this now or update it later? Well, for whatever it's worth, we are still bullish on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, we are bullish. On the daily, we have U-turn bullish. Okay, so now Let me just update the daily real quick. On the daily chart, we are now 1 PB up, so this will now become 1 PB up. Okay, price is coming into our weekly zone, so it's a possibility that this market might U-turn very soon. Okay, so that's coming already. Now it's coming in deeper, so let's see if it gives us a reason to go bearish real soon. Okay, so on the daily we are 1 PB up. The 4-hour, what do we have? Excuse me. 4-hour we are here it is 1, pull back 2, pull back 3. We are now 3 PB up on the 4-hour. Okay, so 3 PB up. And for the 1-hour, what are we? Okay, I should mark my new 4-hour zone. New 4-hour zone should be somewhere around here. Let's see. New 4-hour zone will be all of this. Okay, so new 4-hour zone. Alright, so next is the 1-hour. 1-hour we are bullish. Let's see how many PB up are we. Okay, so it's obviously bearish. Then from here we have 1, pull back 2, pull back 3, 3 PB up, still 3 PB up. Okay, and our zone is obviously here. Okay, it's a 1-hour zone, current 1-hour zone. Sure, that's 1-hour. Okay, so we are updated, and today is 15th of July, and the time is 9 a.m. Alright, so I'll hold on to this position and see how much longer it will go, whatever it's worth. Okay, now Aussie US dollar. Yeah, this one has also been doing the most. Okay, you can already clearly see that market has come into our zone here and pushed away, but I didn't catch that move, so I'm not gonna call it to my credit. Okay, so we want to see price come all the way to this liquidity target right here now. Okay, and that's where the money is. I want to see price go all the way, boom, break it, and give us the money. Now when that happens, we want to see price pull back into some zone somewhere around here, which we'll be waiting for to catch. Okay, and we'll still hold on to this other position, except price begins to, maybe if price breaks this zone, breaks below this zone, then we'll know that, okay, expecting some bearishness, then we'll close out on this trade and take the money off the table. Okay, for whatever it's worth, we'll hold on to it just the way it is and allow the price to do its thing. Okay, so just so I update my notes real quick, I haven't updated it in a while. 4-hour. On the 4-hour we had 1 PB up, pullback, 2 pullback, 3. So we had 3 PB up on the 4-hour. Okay, and this is our current zone. Current 4-hour zone is somewhere here. And our 4-hour liquidity is up here. Okay, so this zone is invalidated. Is it? So from here it went all the way up and there was a pullback here. Yes, so this one is gone. I'll just take it off. Alright, so that's what we have now. And then for the 1-hour, what do we see? We see 1 pullback. Okay, that was okay. So we have here 1 pullback, 2 pullback, break above 3, pullback, break above 4, pullback. So 4 PB up on the 1 hour. Okay. Alright, and today is 15. We are good to go. Time is 9 a.m. We are done. Alright. So for this one, we are looking at an opportunity to catch some good moves here. Okay. Just patiently wait for them to play out. Price comes into our zone. We missed out on this one already, so I missed out on this. If we had caught this, it would have looked something like this. It would have been really, really good to catch. So, something like this. Maybe I want 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 6, not bad. 1 to 6, with the market already giving us 1 to 5. And so he said I think would have even done better than that if we had, because we would have been catching it from the lower time frame. Okay, so that's what it is. All right, NZD US dollar, real quick. On this pair, okay, now we anticipated this move, but we didn't catch it. Didn't catch this move. Okay, I was away from the charts and got busy doing a whole lot, so I didn't catch this move. But if we did, we would have seen ourselves coaxing down to some very beautiful. We'll have caught it somewhere around here. Okay, so around here. Maybe stop loss somewhere here. Targeting a good about 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 13. We already have gone 1 to 10 with this. And a pullback, possibly stopping us out here because I would have moved stop loss to break even and then catch a second trade off this, maybe somewhere here. Stop loss right above here, and already should have gone more than the 1 to 5 already. Okay, 1 to 13 already, beautiful. Okay, but interesting news is didn't catch any of these guys. I did not catch any of this. I wasn't anywhere around the chart in all of this movement, so I didn't catch any of it. Well, the good news is there's always chance to rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. The market does the same thing again and again and again. You missed today, just get ready for tomorrow. So let's update our notes on the 1 hour. We are 1 pullback. We are 1 PB down. Okay, 1 PB down on the 1 hour. Change this right away. Change this to down on the 1 hour, and then let's go to the 4 hour. What do we have on the 4 hour? 4 hour, we are pull back. Okay. Okay. Oh, appears 4 hour we are 1 PB up. Yeah, obviously 1 PB up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. Okay, so this, what is this? So for the 4 hour, liquidity is up above here. Okay. This is 4 hour. Whereas for the 1 hour, liquidity is down below here. Okay, so looks similar to something we had last week. I think it was the US dollar, Canadian dollar, or dollar yen. Okay. All right, so I expect price to do this. Come all the way, hit the 1 hour target, take us into our 4 hour zone, and then from there go all the way up to hit our 4 hour liquidity target, crashing whatever 1 hour zone will be here. My perspective, my anticipation. It's a more likely scenario. Okay, it's a more likely scenario. But market might just do otherwise, and just stick around. Okay. All right. So that's where we are with the NZD USD. Let's move on. No trading opportunities yet. We've missed them. We missed them. Dollar Swiss. Okay, for this one, there was this nice opportunity we saw. Yes, last week. But by the time we came, we're already here. Already here when we showed up. Yeah, so we didn't catch it. Didn't catch it. Didn't catch this move. This would have been a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful down move. Okay, if we had just been around to catch it. Well, I don't know of you guys, but if anybody caught it, just let me know, because I would have caught it somewhere here. So that'd be my entry. Stop loss just above here. and target all the way down. Clean 1 to 10. Okay. Yeah, but I didn't catch it, so it is what it is. Rinse and repeat. Wait on for the next wave. Okay. Now this target has been hit, and then we have next setup. Okay. Let's see if we can catch the next one. So next setup, we have this as our zone. Okay. And let's expand it this way. So wait for price to come into this zone, and then we look to bomb it. All right. Okay. Quick one. Let me update my notes before I move on from here. Where are the notes? Notes. Where are you? All right, found you. Okay. 4R. Maybe I should even start from the daily. See if there's any change on the daily. On the daily, we are 2 PB down. Nothing has changed. Okay, it's still good. 2 PB down. So we go on to the 4R. On the 4R, has anything changed? We're 1 PB up. 1 PB up. Let's see. 1 PB up somewhere here. Okay. Then boom, 1 PB down. So 2 PB down. We have changed. This will now be 2 PB down. Okay. On the 1R, let's see. We've done quite a lot of movements. So we'll just take it from here. Okay, so this came to crash the zone, so it's 1 PB down. This one, nope. The zone was here. Okay, so this is 1, pull back 2, so 2 PB down. Today is 15 and the time is 9 a.m. I came in a bit late this morning. Alright, so that's where we are. We look to see prices coming to this zone, and then from there we'll run towards our liquidity target down below here. So it's our liquidity target. Liquidity below, and to that I say, okay, so that's what we have here. Well, this is 15, not 215, please. Okay, all right. So next is the dollar yen, US dollar Japanese yen. See what it looks like. Okay, finally, you guys have seen this crash through. Okay, it happened on Thursday. After we had done analysis, we had anticipated getting a 1 to 5 here. Okay, but the market didn't really give us that. Good thing is that we have secured our position, so we were risk free on the trade, taking off some profit. And boom, this happened. Okay, so a twist in fate for the 1 hour. 1 hour is now 1 PB down, pull back, hasn't closed below, so 1 hour we can immediately update now that we are 1 PB down. Okay, I'm just changing this immediately to 15. Make this 9 a.m. and then let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, what do we have? We're going up here, last up move, and then boom, 1 PB down. Okay, so 1 PB down on the 4 hour too. 1 PB down. Okay, daily has not changed. Our daily zone is here. Okay, now this was our 4 hour zone. From here, took this up move, pull back, another up move, pull back, another up move, pull back, another one, and then finally price break. Remember, we had hit the weekly liquidity target at this level, and all of this, well, all the while we're above here, we were anticipating a break, that this, all of this will not hold, and finally we've begun to see that down push. Okay, sincerely, what do I expect? I expect to see prices come all the way down to our liquidity target down here, in all sincerity, because we are expecting to see prices come, having hit a liquidity target up here, price should come all the way down into our zone and go up. Well, let me just confirm real quick. No, that's wrong. Sorry, that's wrong. Very, very wrong. That's very, very wrong. Okay, that's our previous zone. Now with liquidity target hit, we have a new zone, which is should be somewhere around here. Let me see. Let me be sure of what I'm saying. Okay, so hit our target. Zone is still valid. Zone is still valid then. So on the weekly, we are still having the zone is still valid. This is the entire PB. Bringing this up move, clearing all this liquidity. And here, okay, I was looking at it wrongly then. Okay, yeah. So this one up, yes. So this is our zone here, somewhere around here. All of this is our zone. Price is already coming to our zone, and then this daily zone might be just what to look out for. Okay. All right. Yeah. So this zone will be invalidated because it has been spent, and now we want to see prices come. Maybe we'll look at somewhere in here around this daily zone anyway. But let's look at the daily for now. All right. So we're looking to see prices come into our daily zone, and then push away. Okay, now for the weekly, we can now know that one has been spent, so we're now up 2. Okay, daily price should come into our zone, and then from there we hope to see some possible reversal, target liquidity here. Okay, for the daily money is up there. Okay, now let's bring it home, bring it closer. Let's look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, what do we have? I think we have turned on the 4-hour already. Yes, we have. We looked at that. We already taken down that node. So we'll just look to see prices continue to go all the way down into our daily zone. That's our target for now. And then this is our 1-hour liquidity target. So price might break below here, pull back. Once that happens, we should be looking at a zone somewhere here. Come back into that zone. Okay, and then from there, go again bearish now into our daily zone down here, and then from there we'll look to see prices begin to U-turn, going all the way up. Okay, that's my perspective on the US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, the last one I'll look at this morning, we're going to look at together, is the dollar card. Okay, like what I said earlier on. So what happened here, on the 1 hour we were bullish, looking to see prices come all the way into our zone and up to our target here. On the 4 hour we're bearish, looking to see prices from here come all the way into our zone here and then go out to clear our target. So what have we seen? On the 1 hour we have seen that prices have come all the way to hit our target. Okay, so the 1 hour has been spent, prices closed below, so we know that we have hit our 1 hour bullish setup is invalidated, and then we're looking to see prices come all the way here, which was just tapped. But then prices began to go all the way up, and to this point we expect to see some higher prices to take the market into a 4-hour zone actually, and then from there look to sell all the way to this level here. Okay, so we are bearish. Hold on, even the daily, sorry, the 1 hour was bearish because it closed below, invalidating this bullish setup. And then we had a bearish setup from here. Market came to close above, and now on the 1 hour we are bullish. So bullish, pull back, breaks above again. So we have our zone somewhere here. Okay, so expect to see prices coming to that zone, and from there going to hit our 4-hour and drive prices into our 4-hour zone, clearing out 1-hour liquidity target here. Okay, so let me just clean this up a little bit so it makes more sense. So our 1-hour target is up here. Okay, then our 1-hour zone is now here. This will be my zone. Okay, so what do I expect? I expect to see price come into my zone, 1-hour zone, then reverse, and then go to hit 1-hour liquidity. The moment it hits that, breaks, it's already in our 4-hour zone. Then from there begin to reverse, clear out the 1 hour bullishness and go all the way for our 4 hour liquidity target. Okay, so this is what I expect on the US dollar Canadian dollar. Okay, so on the 1 hour I am 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 2 PB up, 2 PB up. 4 hours still 1 PB down. Okay, so this is updated. Today is 15 and the time is 09. Alright guys, that's the size of what we can take for today on the Oran Analyst. See you again tomorrow. Hopefully it will be more regular this time, and yeah, see how it plays out. So price is almost bombing our zone. Okay, so wait for it. Alright guys, have a great, amazing and profitable trading day. As the trade set up, we would share them. When we find them, we catch them, we let you know, and it's always beautiful trading as a community. To your trading success, it's FX Kalapanzi, and I'm out.